Merong cookies and biscuit. Etong chocolate chip, peanut butter, sugar cookies. Sa napakadaming buwan, ang rice ay naging $25, $28. Sabi dito, regular price daw nila 22, pero mas mahal pa dyan. Tapos bigla na lang out of the blue, itong buwan na to, sa kahit saan ka magpunta, ang rice ay $12.98 na. Si Mushi magpupunta siya sa may electronics. Camping! Winter, spring, summer, fall camping. Backyard, go tayo. Oh, and we are now going someplace. Oh, look, there's a dog.
Yeah, it might be the dog of the driver of the truck, eh?
Yeah. At dito na nga tayo ngayon sa Walmart. After ng thrift store, Walmart naman. At ito ang isa sa mga challenges kapag ka nasa malamig kang bansa, pagbaba mo, snow, uneven yung lalakaran mo. Hindi mo alam, hindi siya patag. At syempre, haharapin mo rin siya, madulas siya. Dito na tayo, Walmart. Yay! Ito pala yung bundok na snow. Isa sa mga bundok na snow dito. Mga kabundok na snow sa parking lot. Pero ang ganda niya pagmasdan, no? Ganda pagmasdan. May bago sa McDonald's. Ayan.
Uno and anime.
Frank's Red Hot Menu.
Kind of weird that they have both the border.
Yeah. Actually, na-miss ko na ang kape ng McDonald's. Mula October, hindi na ako nagkape. October, ano na ngayon? February na. February na ngayon. Kailan ko kaya ito ma-upload? I'll push it. Or you're testing it. Oh, do you want to get flowers for mom? Because Jennifer said get flowers for mom. Get it now so Jennifer doesn't... You don't want to get it now? You don't want to get it now?
No.
Huh? When are you going to give it to your mom?
I don't know.
Then let's not get it. Let's get out of here. Let's go straight to the cake mix so we can go home.
Well, straight to the back near the electronics.
This Walmart, for some reason, looks really sad.
That's really what?
Sad.
Huh?
Sad.
Sad.
Yeah. Wait, I'm gonna get this. Andito kami ngayon sa baking aisle dahil wala na akong pang bake. So maraming choices. Merong cookies and biscuit, etong chocolate chip, peanut butter, sugar cookies. Meron din itong Reese pieces. Ang dami nating choices. So kung ayaw nyo nang magsukat-sukat tulad ng ginagawa ko, Pag nagbe-bake ako ng banana muffin o banana loaf o yung iba pang binibake ko, dito, hindi mo na kailangan. Hindi mo na kailangang magsukat. Nandito na lahat. Meron pang s'mores. Wow. Actually, dahil kung typical lang namin binibili, hindi ako nagpipay attention. Ang typical lang namin binibili, yung mga ganito. Hindi ako nagpipay attention dun sa mga, kasi gumagawa ako ng sarili kong ano, nagsusukat-sukat ako. Parang mas okay to. Hindi ko na kailangan magsukat. Kasi gawa na siya. Meron pang s'mores. So, pag nag-camping kami, great idea to. Try ko kaya to. Para pag nag-camping. May s'mores. I think I'm gonna give this a try. Brownie s'mores? What do you think?
Okay.
No, not for the church, for the boys.
For us.
Yeah, you can look at the expiration.
It's a new product, so.
Oh, it's a new product? Oh, kaya pala ngayon ko lang nakita. New product lang pala siya. Is this the one you're talking about? Like how does it work? I have to cook the whole package? I saw it there. So, may ganito pala ang muffin. Pag gumagawa ko ng muffin tsaka loaf from scratch, may ganito naman pala. Ano ba yan? Ang tagal-tagal ko nang nagbe-bake. Hindi ko alam may mga ganito pala. Ayan, no? May gawa na.
Add water, eggs.
All-purpose muffin. Do you need to use the whole package?
Nope.
No?
It's Ziplocked.
May
Yeah, Ziplock.
carrot. What is all-purpose? Like, it's up to you? Like, it's plain, you just add chocolate type of
Yeah,
thing?
chocolate chips in it. You can.
When is the expiration of that? How good is that? I'm gonna try that, and then I'm gonna get this plain one. So how tough it is? Like, this year?
Yeah, I wouldn't expect it to last that long.
So what do I need here? Like, is it as easy as the cake?
So it's
When I make cake
yeah.
mix, it's as easy as that.
yeah.
So that, what will I just add?
Just add water and eggs, 2 eggs.
Water and eggs.
Yeah.
How many muffin can I make with that?
Buttermilk muffins. Mix whatever.
Just water and egg.
Or, so like it's got the thing where you just make it, but you add 4 teaspoons of cocoa powder, 4 teaspoons of extra water.
No,
chocolate chips. No, I'm just giving you an example.
Okay.
Right? Semi-sweet chocolate chips and white chocolate chips. Chocolate chip muffins, just fold in 3/4 cup of chocolate baking chips. Oatmeal muffins, fold in quick oats, cinnamon, and extra water. So it's kind of like a base mix type of thing.
Yeah. But that's a great idea. I just need to add chocolate chip, egg, and milk.
Yeah.
Milk or water.
Oh, water. It says.
Okay. So I don't have vanilla anymore. I need vanilla. Just a very
Vanilla
small
extract?
one. Yeah. So kung nagpabalak po kayo, wala kayong experience sa pagbe-baking at na-overwhelm kayo at na-try nyo na yung cake, meron palang mga ganitong muffin mix. So yan. Merong carrot, merong double chocolate oatmeal, may all-purpose, tas meron pang mga ganito sa ilalim, yung mga ganyan. Ito yung presyo niya. Yan. So marami kang magagawa dito. Nasa sayo na kung ano. So may ganito pala. Now lang ako nag-explore. Ay, meron pa sa ilalim. May ganito pala. Tignan mo, maganda talagang nag-e-explore. May ganito, red velvet. Na, ay meron pa nito, oh. Biscuit naman siya. May Pillsbury na biscuit. Hindi ko alam na may dry Pillsbury yung nasa ref. Kukuhanin ko to. Paborito to ni Mom. Mom likes red velvet. But I don't know about the icing. Like, what am I gonna do with the icing for this?
What icing?
I'm just gonna make it into a cupcake.
Yeah, you can make it a cupcake.
Yeah. Tapos, pagkagawa nyo ng icing, kung ang gagawin nyo, cupcake, kasi etong cake, sa mga hindi pa po nagbe-bake, maari siyang maging cake, maari din siyang cupcake. Tapos, pwede nyong lagyan ng may gawa ng icing. Ayan. There's that icing thing, Moshi. I'm not asking you to get it. I'm just pointing it to you.
Cupcake icing.
Yeah. Tapos may mga ganitong mga sprinkle. Yan. Ganyan. Tapos, ito naman yung ilalagay mo sa ibabaw kung anong gusto mong ilagay. Tapos, mga chocolate chip. So, kabibili lang namin ng chocolate chip. That's what? Dark chocolate?
chocolate.
Oh, that's the worst thing for baking.
What are you talking about?
Because you're not gonna give it to old people. You're gonna give it to...
These
The
are little
kids.
tiny ones that.
Oh, the super tiny one.
Yeah. These are chips.
Kung ako po ay kilala nyo at kasama nyo, ako po ay laging nagbe-bake. So, mahabang buwan ako nagbe-bake kasi napakahaba ng winter. So, October, malamig na. Fall, hanggang winter, nagbe-bake. So, mabalik po tayo. Ito palang plain na muffin. Kahit anong idagdag mo dyan, fruits o chocolate. Basta kaya siya plain kasi bahala ka na kung gustong anong mang gusto mong idagdag. O kung gusto mo, lagyan mo nito. So, yung plain all-purpose muffin, pwede mong ilagay itong mga to. Yung mga almonds, itong dates, pecans, walnut, raisins. So, yun ang kagandahan sa plain muffin. Ikaw na ang bahala kung anong gustong ilagay. Ay, nahirapan na naman ako magtagalog. Kung anong gusto mong ilagay. Kung etong mga nuts, raisins, o chocolate. So, may gusto po akong sa inyong sabihin. Sa napakadaming buwan, ang rice ay naging $25, $28. Sabi dito, regular price daw nila 22, pero mas mahal pa dyan. Tapos, bigla na lang out of the blue, itong buwan na to, sa kahit saan ka magpunta, ang rice ay $12.98 na. At ito ay sushi rice pa to, ah. So, ang theory namin ay may sa shipment ng rice, na delay yung shipment ng napakahabang buwan at ngayon lang siya dumating. Kasi kahit saan ka magpunta, ang daming bigas talaga na nakasale. So, mabalik tayo dito sa bigas, no? Kahit saan ka magpunta, dito sa Walmart, sa Food Basic, sa Fresco, lahat $12.98 yung bigas. So, sa sobrang napakahabang ilang buwan namin na hindi nakikita yung rice. Naalala ko 2 months ago, nagpunta kami ng superstore. Yung mga Pinoy, punong-puno yung cart nila ng bigas. Tapos tinanong ko kung actually si Mushi nagtanong kung may bigas pa. Kasi parang nagpapanik sa pagbili yung mga tao ng bigas. Kasi nga ilang buwan na hindi nag-sale yung bigas. Tapos ngayon, out of the blue, makikita mo na ang bigas, ito. Kahit saan ka magpunta, hindi na nagkakagulo yung mga tao. Nagkalat na siya, ganyan. Sa bahay, madaming bigas kasi yung mother-in-law ko, kapag nakikita niyang on special yung bigas, ina-alert niya kami agad ni Mushi. Kasi alam niya, kanin talaga ako. Tapos yung mga apo niya, syempre. Si Lance at si Lingko naman, ang kagandahan sa kanila, pinaghalong bituka namin ni Colin. Maaari silang tumatagal sila kahit mga tinatinapay lang. Okay. Tapos sa bigas sa kanin din. So either or bigas o kanin, alin sa dalawa, kaya nilang, okay lang sila doon. Ay, may Swifter dito. To. Ayan. Si Mushi, magpupunta siya sa may electronics. Kapag ka lagi mo kasama yung mga anak mo, tapos lumabas ka, tapos hindi mo kasama, sobrang nakakapanibago. Parang naiisip mo palagi kung nasaan sila. Yung sanay ka na, yung alam mo yon, pag magpupunta kayo aisle to aisle, sasabihan mo sa mga anak mo, tara, let's go. We're going to the next aisle. Pero ngayon, wala sila sa tabi ko. Yeah. So, itong Walmart na to, sobrang grabing napakatagal na namin hindi nakakapunta dito. Nangyari lang kasi, tawag dito, malapit siya sa campsite nila Lance tsaka ni Lincoln. Anyways, buti naman dito, hindi matindi yung tunog ng, yung tugtog. Si Lance pala ay meron siyang bagong cellphone. What's Lance's new phone? Lapit ng camera.
Samsung A16.
Samsung A16. So, si Lance nag-umpisa siyang mag-cellphone nung pumasok siya sa school nung September. Tapos, mga 1.5 month na ang nakakalipas, pinalitan namin siya. Ako ang pumili, Xiaomi Redmi. Nagsisi ako kasi hindi niya kayang suportahan yung pag nagpipikmin si Lance, nagpipikmin kami, 'di ba? Yung Pikmin para siyang Pokemon Go. Hindi niya kayang suportahan, hindi fluid yung galaw. So sabi ko kay Mushi, bibilang ko si Lance ng cellphone na kahit pricey, alam ko naman kaya niyang protektahan to at kayang nung cellphone na yung pag nagigame siya, yung Pikmin, magiging fluid siya. Tsaka magagamit niya to hanggang mag-high school siya for sure. So, hindi pa namin na-unpack yung cellphone. Matutuwa sila sigurado. Kasi pag nag-Pikmin siya, hindi na siya maglalaging. So anyways, ang nangyari ay nag-guilty ako. Ikukwento ko po sa inyo ang buong istorya. Itong kasi dati, Xiaomi ang cellphone ko. Tapos, wala akong naging problema. Pero, hindi ako nagigame sa cellphone na yon. Kasi, kaya ako napili yung Xiaomi, hindi ako magasto sa sarili ko. Gusto ko ni Mushing bila ng mga ibang gamit, pero laging hindi akong nagre-refuse. Tapos, dahil wala naman ako naging problema sa Xiaomi, sabi ko kay Mushi, pag binila namin ng cellphone si Lance, Xiaomi na lang. So, nagtipid ako. Hindi ako nagtipid naisip ko lang na maganda kasi yung experience ko, pero hindi ko na put in consideration na hindi ako nag-game sa cellphone na yun. So, yun, ang ending, nalungkot ako nung nakikita ko yung anak ko na malungkot kasi hindi niya supported yung games. Yun lang naman ang ginagawa ng anak ko sa cellphone ko. Maglalakad kami sa labas, magpipikmin kami, tapos hindi niya pa magawa ng maayos, nalungkot ako. Kaya sabi ko kay Mushi, kahit pricey yung Samsung na binili namin kay Lance, total naman, magtatagal siya, masusuportahan niya yung pag nag-games ka, masusuportahan niya, magiging fluid siya, okay siya, 'di ba? So, nagiging masaya si Lance pag nakita niya tong bago niyang cellphone. So, binilan din namin ng accessories. Phone holder yon nasa bahay. Tapos, ito kukuha lang namin, tempered glass. Kaya, para kahit bumagsak, okay lang. Sana pala, finilm ko na lang si Mushi nung nagkukwento siya. So, anyways, ito po sa mga, ma-share ko lang sa iba na wala dito sa Walmart. Itong part na to ay disusi. So, kinukwento sa akin ni Mushi, hindi siya pa kapaniwala na hanggang ngayon nagtitinda pa rin sila nito. Disposable camera. Ayun yung niya, pinaka-film niya. Tapos ito yung disposable camera.
Oh, see this one? This one takes pictures and prints it on thermal paper.
Oh. Binilan ako ni Mushi, di ko alam, 5 years ago na, yung Instamax. What you got for me was Instamax, am I right?
Instamax.
Oh, there you go. Let's buy it now, finally. We keep on talking about it. Does it like save on the cloud? Kasi sabi ko kay Mushi, bili kami ng camera para sa loob ng bahay. Para pag umalis kami, tulad yan, si Cookie nasa bahay ngayon. Para nakikita, safe naman si Cookie 100% sa loob ng bahay. Safe na safe siya, may pagkain siya doon, naka-on yung TV, mainit sa bahay, may heater, komportable siya. Yun lang, hindi namin nakikita yung ginagawa niya. Siyempre. Does it save on the cloud or it doesn't?
I don't know. I've never heard of that brand before.
Ate have no problem with it.
With Tapto?
That's what I bought her.
Tapo?
Yeah, that's what I bought
Same
her.
brand?
Yeah, it's many years now that she's using it. I'm gonna phone her right now. So, nalakaran namin tong luggage section at i-manifest ko na makakauwi talaga kami ng Pilipinas this year. Dahil nga sa trabaho ni Mushi, sa oras, hindi kami makapunta maliban sa US. So, i-manifest ko na makakauwi kami this year. Yay! Spam! Na-spam ako. Na-spam ako.
And Pantry Associates to the front for recovery. Dairy Produce and Pantry Associates to the front for recovery, please. Thank you.
Chicharon. Wow. Oh, look. Is that good? Those things there? No?
I don't
Okay.
know. I see Deli Express. I think like, oh, well,
Like, where's this snow pants? None? None?
none.
Oh, oats, regular oats. That's a great price. Do they have? No, not regular. What do you call that? Apple cinnamon. I think they don't have apple cinnamon. No. No. There's nothing.
It's the first one to go. Makes you wonder why they just don't make more of it.
Yeah. Ah, there's no more snow pants. Okay. Okay. Where is it? Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh, he's close? What is happening? Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? Are you done with it?
Yeah, I thought you were going to start loading up.
Oh, no, I won't. You load it up.
Move the cart. Move the cart.
That
Pretty good. Yourself?
fantastic. Thank you.
Glad to hear.
You need any bags today?
No need, thank you.
If it's free, yes.
Yeah.
McDonald's have a celebration going on.
That's it.
Okay. Tin, 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 tin.
Balls were damaged $99.40. $100 for Canadian food.
Not today, thank you.
Coming up on your card, ready to go.
Yeah, I need to get through.
Damaged part?
Hey, thank you so much. Have a good day.
Thank
Yeah, you too. Bye-bye. You want McDonald's?
Nope. Because everything is gonna be cold. Okay. Damage report. Never heard that word.
Huh?
He probably thinks that is cold.
Oh, yeah. You don't understand. Cool.
But it's not a word here though. So yung cashier.
The damage is normal, like how much you have to pay.
Yeah,
Normally,
but people doesn't really. Nobody really uses that word.
So we used to do it when he was in things out there.
Okay.
We go, good, back.
Yeah, it's really slippery. Nag-snow na naman. Yay! Hello mga ka-snow! Ang gagawin namin ni Mushi pag uwi namin, syempre ano pa ba? Kamutin si Cookie at manood ng K-drama. Mga nakakakilig na K-drama. Katatapos lang panoorin ni Mushi, hindi siya nakakakilig kasi story siya ng mga attorney. Pro bono. Yun. Nagustuhan ni Mushi yung istorya. Ako, hindi masyado. Pero okay lang. So, Parang nakwento ko na siya, no? Pero kung hindi ako sure na nakwento ko na, ikukwento ko na lang siya ulit. Yung swimming ng mga bata, ngayong winter ay kinancel na namin. Kasi ang nangyari, nakakadalawang swimming pa lang sila. Pagkatapos ng pangatlong session na, nung pumunta kami, walang maparkingan. As in, yung mga tao nagdo-double parking. Halimbawa, eto, yung kotse, sa likod niyan, may magpa-park pa, ganun. So, hindi makakalabas tong isa. Kung ida-drop off naman kami ni Mushi, hindi rin siya, mahihirapan din siyang pumasok kasi kahit pagpasok pa lang sa parking lot, mahihirapan ka na. So, kinausap namin yung supervisor. Ang sabi ng supervisor, ganun talaga yung sitwasyon doon. Kasi nga, hindi siya community center lang, kasama siya ng school. May activity na nagaganap sa school kada Saturday. So, yun ang sabi ng supervisor. Yung ibang, I saw that. Yung ibang mga tao, nagka-cancel talaga. Hindi kasi kami, hindi talaga dito nagsuswimming yung mga hindi talaga doon nagsuswimming yung mga bata. Sa kabilang region kami nagsuswimming. Kasi kung saan kami nakatira, nasa border na kasi kami. Anyways, so etong winter swimming na to, yung ni-refund sa amin ng supervisor, yung swimming na binayaran namin. So ayun ang pangyayari. Ganun talaga, may mga bagay tayong out of control, diba? Syempre nalungkot naman yung mga anak ko kasi swimming talaga yung number 1 activity na paborito nila. Lalo na si Lincoln, kahit pagod na siya kakalangoy, pabalik-balik, kahit winter na paglabas niya, sobrang nilalamig na siya. Kasi ako, hindi ko siya gugustuhin kasi winter paglabas mo, basang-basa yung buhok mo, alam mo yon, yung nanggaling ka sa kabasaan, tapos lumabas ka, di ba? Ang sakit nun sa balat, malamig, pero yun ang number 1 sport ng mga anak ko. Yun ang gusto nila, nalungkot naman sila. So,
Park so close to me, eh?
did she park close to you or she's the one who's there in the beginning?
No.
It's a different one?
Yeah.
At malapit na kaming ma-reunite kay Cookie. Yay! Oh, look at that car. It looks like it fell in the ditch. Oh my god. That car has been sitting there for too long now.
Crisp winds air, the sky so blue. What shall we do on this day anew? Frozen hands seek warmth in a coffee cup. I thought love wasn't meant for us. Winter has begun, a sign from above. I miss you so much, I can't sleep. This is love. Towards the light horizon, we'll be the stars. Let's embark on an adventure near and far. Don't silence your heart, it's not just for now. Set sail on this journey and take a bow. Gentle breeze whispers early morning light, knowing it'll end, but it feels so right. Hands intertwined in coat pockets deep, maybe this love is mine to keep. Take the helm, steer through the lies, face the storms with open eyes. Paint your canvas, choose your hue, bright or dark, it's all up to you. Winter has begun, a sign from above. I miss you so much, I can't sleep, this is love. Towards the light horizon, we'll be the stars. Let's embark on an adventure near and far. Don't silence your heart, this is my love, bittersweet and true. Will fade away, I hope it's not through. Seek your warmth and your unique embrace. A love like ours, time can't erase. Winter has begun, how do you feel? All eyes on us, this love is real. Where will it lead? Only time will tell. In this moment my heart's under your spell. Love has awakened, the signal is clear. The day we've waited for is finally here. This winter's tale is far from over. It's time for love, bold and sober. Adventure awaits, don't hesitate. This passion's real, it must be fate.